to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend.
Alright, all packed up. As is ordered, just a couple of coffees, so go and chuck my stuff in the rickshaw and then go and have a coffee. I need my coffee to get myself going in the morning.
I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around when you're...
So we had a couple of different options when we left today. Could have gone back up the main road that we came in on and back down the highway, but had a bit of a look and there was a smaller road that ran parallel to the highway east, the direction we want to go in. So yeah, we thought we'd take that one, something a bit different, get out into the countryside of Nepal.
We're all messed up. It's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game.
So this morning we've just pretty much been driving through bull dust. It's crazy, man. Alright, so we've come to an interesting place in the road. Seems to be just water, so we might have to, I think, walk ahead, check it out.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? Hello. Even if we got past that, there is this here. So yeah, I think we've come to the end of the road. So turn around, head back and find another way, I think.
When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You
I must say, a bit more traffic.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
but you're so much more than a memory. It is not easy.
Alright, so spotted another bit of an obstacle up ahead. Let's have a look. Almost there, so. Alright, we could be doing another U-turn by the looks of this. Looks like the road continues just over here, but I think there's a fairly deep water hole which could cause us issues. Namaste. Yeah, I've had a quick look and there's no way we're getting through there. I'll turn around and try and find another route.
It's a shame still waters run deep.
We've hit peak hour out here, so you know, a couple of tractors coming Last few more of those water buffalo carts seem to be on the move. Beautiful though today. Just cruising through the countryside, getting a little lost. It's, yeah, amazing. Right, so we're still cruising through the fields. We've come down a road and yeah, fair big slope like this way, and we're pretty top heavy, so we're worried it might be a bit of a tippy situation, so we're going to turn around, go back, hopefully get on this road over here.
Great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. What the hell?
Right, so we got onto that other road. Looks like there's something up here too, so let's go check it out. Maybe just a bit of growth on the road. Yeah, it looks kind of okay. I think Az is going to go for a bit of a walk further ahead, make sure that it's alright past there. Alright, we're in business. Alright, so we eventually found the highway. Those two water crossings that we couldn't get across put a bit of a spanner in the works with our idea of just cutting straight across the fields. We ended up having to do a fair bit of backtracking and going down some pretty crazy little tracks, as you saw, but it was amazing. So much fun just to spend a day sort of like lost driving, you know, just exploring the countryside. We've made it to a little town called Lahan. It's about 80 kilometers from Janakpur, where we started this morning. I think we've driven a lot further than that today, but sort of as the main route goes, about 80 k's. So yeah, just found a hotel here. Checked in, just gonna go in, dump the bags, grab something to eat. Absolutely starving, sort of. Yeah, that getting lost, man. We haven't had any lunch, so really looking forward to something to eat. So gonna go and dump my bags, and yeah, we'll go grab a feed.